Then. Gear up. Limit disengaged. Time remaining 2 minutes. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 0. Gear up. Time remaining 3 minutes. 25%, 50%.
Is that low enough for you?
20 to 50%.
You see?
%. 20 seconds. Zero.
First open so we could. They had a tourist on the spot. Yeah. Well, anyway, so I went to the birth place. It's called the birth place. Okay. Well, in this hospital, it's called the birth place. And then the view was just right over the
I bet the Pensacola beach was pretty.
Power systems activated.
Alright.
I'm going to stay on the right while you pass.
Gear up. 50%. G limit disengaged.
Not enough speed, but...
0. 25, 50%.
And we used to stand on that side over there, and you had this blue sky all the way across this time of year.
Yeah, and you don't have to look into the sun.
That sun is brutal.
Yeah, it sucks.
It's getting better now, but my God, in December it's awful. It's still pretty bad.
Yeah, look.
50%.
Nice.
It looks like they're just
G
tilted
limit
up a little
disengaged.
bit, just a little bit round on the bottom. It's such a pretty airplane to see go by.
They are.
50%. 50%.
Sun.
I got this.
Landing flaps. 50%. 50%. 0.
Look at it! Look at it! Whee!
Brake reverse full.
Right on the line, baby.
Zero. 25%. Gear up. 50%. 50%.
I'm off.
G limit disengaged. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Here you go, Fred.
Ooh, upside down. Nice. Oh, yeah.
Into the sun.
50%.
Is that low enough?
Gear down. 50%.
Looks identical to that
50%. 0.
Yeah, but fatter.
Landing flaps. 50%. 50%. 9. 8. 0.
Whoops. What were you doing over there?
Timer is 0. Gear up.
We'll take 90.
Isn't it?
Hey, yeah, about that. It took us about 30 minutes to get here.
No ice
G
on
limit
the
disengaged.
The only ice was just down here, but there's grooves in the road.
He's driving.
The track.
Track.
Yeah, Johnny's driving.
No, it wasn't bad.
Wasn't bad.
It was, yeah.
50. Time remaining 2 minutes.
There's a few spots, but after that it was all clear.
Yeah.
G limit disengaged.
A few more days of warm weather, it'll all be gone.
Yeah.
That'd be nice. Sure did not like going and seeing the crack on my windshield because of snow.
No.
Yeah.
Insurance paid for that?
Yeah. Right, Johnny?
Yep, should.
No.
Okay.
25%. 50%.
Okay.
G limit disengaged.
That's exactly what I was
1
just
minute.
thinking. Put it in the GPS. And it'll tell you if there's ice on the road or a road closed.
That's what I like that. I like that.
Landing flaps. 30. 0. 25%.
Oh, there you are. I lost him for a second.
0.
Shoes, they'll do that.
25%. 0. 25%. 20 seconds. 0.
Pretty good throttle control there, Jeff.